Unit 3 Diagram Exam Pronunciation Guide. Spinal cord, vertebra, posterior dorsal root, posterior root ganglion, spinal nerve, anterior or ventral root, vertebra, epidural space, intervertebral foramen, white matter, gray matter. Central canal, posterior root ganglion, spinal nerve, anterior root, meninges, white matter, gray matter. Cerebrum, skull, meninges, corpus callosum, choroid plexus, diencephalon, thalamus, hypothalamus, midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, spinal cord, fourth ventricle, cerebellum, pineal gland, third ventricle, lateral ventricle. Lateral ventricles, third ventricle, fourth ventricle, spinal cord. Frontal lobe, primary motor area, premotor area, motor speech area or Broca's area. Prefrontal area, primary olfactory area, lateral sulcus. Temporary lobe, auditory association area, primary auditory area, sensory speech or Wernicke's area, visual association area, primary visual area. Occipital lobe, general interpretation area, primary taste area, somatosensory association area. Primary somatosensory area. Parietal lobe, central sulcus. Sclera, choroid, retina, optic disc, retinal blood vessels, optic nerve, fovea centralis, posterior compartment filled with vitreous humor. Retina, choroid, sclera, suspensory ligament, anterior compartment filled with aqueous humor, cornea, pupil, iris, lens, ciliary body. Retina, optic nerve, blind spot. Axons of ganglion cells, ganglion cell layer, bipolar cell layer, rod and cone cell layer, choroid, sclera. Pinna, tympanic membrane, auditory canal, round window, auditory tube, temporal bone, cochlea, cochlear nerve, vestibular nerve, vestibule, semicircular canals, oval window, stapes, incus, malleus. Tectorial membrane, stereocilia, basilar membrane, tympanic canal, cochlear nerve, hair cell. Hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, adrenal cortex, adrenal medulla, gonads, testes, ovaries, pancreas, thymus gland, parathyroids, pineal gland. You'll have to know the hormones that are produced, not the actions of the hormones for the diagram exam, but the hormones that are produced by these glands. Hypothalamus produces antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin. Pituitary gland, the posterior pituitary releases ADH and oxytocin. Antidiuretic hormone is ADH. The anterior pituitary produces thyroid-stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, gonadotropic hormone, including FSH and LH. That's follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, prolactin, and growth hormone. The pineal gland produces melatonin. The parathyroids produce parathyroid hormone. For the gonads, the testes in the male produce androgens, testosterone. The ovaries produce estrogens and progesterone. The thymus gland produces thymosins, and the pancreas produces insulin and glucagon.